Alright guys, today I wanted to do a unboxing review and we'll even try out my new 7-port surge protector. So I don't know about you, if you like to keep your office area clean and organized, or just wherever you kind of charge your devices, just keep it like all in one spot. This will probably come well into play. So I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. So this one, along with your little manual there. Check this out. So it's got 3 Type-C ports, 2 USBs, and just 2 traditional outlets right there. So let's go ahead and hook up as many items that I can on here that I normally would just keep on this desk, and I have all these cords here. This should keep it a lot more organized, so let's hook it up. All right, so as you can see, I got it all plugged in. I got my Apple Watch on here, my AirPods. I have the laptop plugged in. I also have my iPad being charged as well. And then lastly, one of my Type-C to Lightning is also going to the phone that I'm recording from. So again, everything that you need to get going. And I still have a USB port and a regular traditional outlet right here. One thing that I want to point out is, so one of the first Type-C port is a 15 watt. That on USB port 2 and 3, these actually have a 65 watt output on these. So you can charge your MacBooks pretty quickly on here. This one I do have my iPad and my phone being charged. What's cool is like, this is gonna be perfect because I can still plug in my printer here. Like all of my work from home electronics can be plugged into this one device. And then right now, I don't know if you can actually see it, but it's actually doing like this green breathing color on here. That green breathing light lets you know that it's doing like a traditional charging on all the ports. If it is on the blue, it's letting you know that you're using the blue fast charging only. It switches if we only have these 2 ports at the end, which I guess we could just do that real quick. I'll plug these. So like as you can see, if you switch it only to the fast charger, which I'm using right here, it'll switch that light to blue, letting you know that it is producing fast charging through this port right now. But if you start plugging in the other items, it'll switch over to green. And there it is, it just switched over. I don't know if it's gonna be able to see it with the light, but when you just have the 2 fast chargers, it'll stay on blue. So again, it's just letting you know that it's just trying to keep all the items safe. If it does feel like it gets overloaded, this red button will turn on and then it'll just shut all this off so nothing gets damaged. All right, and then the last thing that I'm gonna point out is this power button right here. So the easiest way for me just to show you how it works is if you don't need these ports right here, so watch right now, it's not on, but if you hit this power button, it'll activate these 2 traditional outlets right here. So if you need them on, turn it on. If you don't, then I would just leave it on. So all these just stay on. These will stay on regardless. So if you're looking for a nice surge protector power strip, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend, 10 out of 10.